Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my blog. We're in Cancun again. Jeez, you know, the outfit, we're going Party City, you know. Anyways, guys, we're here. The Grand Oasis, North Beach Tower, Playa Norte, on the 4th floor. Gonna head down to Party Zone or whatever, by Cocamongo area. And we're just gonna live it up, make sure you check out the other stuff. I'm gonna be uploading all the other content. Yeah. This is happening, guys. This is happening. Here, I'm gonna. Yo, where you at, bro? This guys, bro, we're not here. Gotta go find the boys that we met at the pool. Gotta go downtown with them too. See, I'm messaging my friends because we're supposed to meet up. Like, we met the whole Oasis at the pool, so now we with the guys, you know, with the guys. We out here, you know, making moves. Taking over niggas' towns and shit, you know? Downtown Cancun. Yo, bro! Over here! I'm at the bottom. You the bottom already? Jesus, bro, I'm coming down. Like, yo, you tweaking, bro. Whose man's is that? I need a cameraman. That's what I need, bro. I'm hiring for a cameraman still. See it. Yo, where you at? Oh shit, bro. Like, yeah, I'm looking for you everywhere. B. Looking for you everywhere, B. Yo, let's take a picture here with the lights, bro. Come. With that one. Okay, just with the video. Come, hold the camera for me. Yeah, just hold it like that. And I'll take a picture of the video. And the pink light, bro. You know how I'm moving.
Pinky.
Yo, don't give us no weight. You know, we're the cats. We're the cats, bro. We buying them bottles. Like,
Yeah?
you know,
Trust me, dog.
this one here.
You what happened with them niggas?
Oh, they're not there. They're not coming down.
They're not coming down?
Yo, how does that look?
That's red. But yeah, that's like, yeah. But you're too far. No, right there. You're good. Yeah, you post up.
Oh, stop. Yeah, hard, bro.
Let me see that drip, dog. You don't have no battery.
No, it's working. Is it recorded?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. Jeez. Yeah. Alright, bro. I think that's it. I'll get a pic for that. Alright, bro. We gotta meet our boys, so I'm gonna start another one. Log out still.